What is up, internet world? My name is Becky Pelton. It is Saturday, and which means today is Family Fun Fest, and so there's gonna be a bunch of fun things going on, and they have the Snowbirds, aka Jets, if you don't know what that is, so that's gonna be a big show going on later, so we're gonna go do that. But I am super duper excited because Dad got me this EOS M3 Canon, which one is so much lighter, and I'm so excited. I don't know if there's a difference in change, audio or like visual or anything. If it is, I hope it's better, but I'm super excited because one, it's so much lighter. So I hope there is a good change for you guys. So anyway, let's get started on the day.
Basically carries all our supplies and everything in it. Don't tell him. So then we have our helmet, and this is the frag vest, which generally protects us from shrapnel if everything goes well. Then in the front here, you can have a plate here, and you can actually see the back here. There's a plate that fits in here, which should actually stop an AK-47 round, point blank. It hurts a lot. It can break ribs and you get lots of bruises, but yeah, there's actually I'd rather have a broken rib than no lungs.
How's that popcorn?
It's good.
What's it taste like?
I put, geez, it's pretty close. I put chili on it.
No, you put taco seasoning on it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tastes good though.
I can smell it. It's lunchtime. What you eating?
As always. Well.
No, you always eat hot dogs.
I always eat hot. You missed that one. So, like
yeah, you ate a hot dog.
every vlog you do, I'm eating a hot dog.
No.
So I'm going to be known as the hot dog eater of the vlogging. Of
the vlogs.
Of the vlogs.
Yeah.
The vlogger hot dog eater.
What are you eating? Oh, sorry, I whacked you.
Hot dog.
Eating a hot dog. That was good. I'm drinking water because I'm not hungry. Climbing up the hill back to the house. This he go forever. La 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 la.
We came back from the Family Fun Fest and we just quickly dropped off a couple of things and we're heading up to the air show now. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, which that means it is radio station day, so we are currently rushing to the ferry to catch it. 15 minutes to get there. Okay guys, so we just got to the radio station off the ferry, and it is actually on Amherst Island. And little fact about it, it's actually Canada's smallest radio station. Not because, well, it being little, but the fact that it's actual size of the radio station. And it's actually in a barn, old milking barn. So I'll give you guys a show around. First come into the radio station, this is considered Studio 3, where if we ever had live bands, they would be in here. And this is Studio 2, where Dad works all of his vinyl, what we actually play, because we don't use the equipment or the CDs or something. We actually play vinyl. So this is where Dad works. And this is Studio 1, where I do my thing. I was talking to him, I could play with this. Make sure nothing's over low. Oh, and I switched some CDs for our intros and support and stuff. So yeah, that's it. And I can see Dad through the thing. Literally all it is. But it's good. A lot of people like it. And they even have their own merchandise. Like, check it out. They have their own CJAI 92.1 tank top, which is one I want. Their own bag. They have their own t-shirt over here. So yeah, that's literally it to the whole thing. So we are here for 2.5 hours doing our thing. Listen to one of our shows one day. And you can listen to it online on cjai.ca. Yeah, because you may not be here where we are, but you can listen to it online, which is really cool. And we are on Sundays, which yes, is the same day I release the videos, but we're on Sundays 12 to 2 Eastern time. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to CJAI 92.1 Amherst Island Radio. You are going to be listening to the Golden Final Spin on Air show. So let's see what we got lined up for you guys today. We got lots of lined up for you guys. This show, all we do is play vinyl records. Everything's from our own collection, and we're super excited to be here. This is our second show, and our first show was a little bit rough. Some things weren't working, and but it was all user errors. But I think we got everything sorted out, don't we, Becky?
Yeah, I think so. It's been going well right now. No mess ups yet.
No, we came to the island an hour beforehand, went over some things, and made sure that we had everything set up properly. Everything was working. So, yeah, so I am your host, Mark, along with my daughter, Becky.
Hey. So for the next 2 hours, we have an amazing lineup of songs for you. That includes songs from Bruce Springsteen, Buffalo Springfield, and the Rolling Stones, plus more.
And then later on in the show, you will hear from Eric, our station producer and fellow broadcaster here on CJAI 92.1 Amherst Island Radio, who is live on location at the 2017 Fall Open House for Loyalist Township Recreation Service.
But we have found the perfect song to start off our show here. Here is Raspberry's Overnight Sensation. We have just finished our show here at the radio station, so we're just about to leave. Oh, focus. So we're just about to leave. We have to hit the ferry, which is about a 20-minute ride across to get back home.
We are in the truck eating. I guess you could call it lunch. So we didn't eat lunch. What do you call lunch and sort of early supper? What do you call that?
A snack.
A snack.
A snackaroo.
What are you eating?
What is this? This is another lunch episode.
Yeah, what are you eating?
I'm eating half a bagel.
Wow, I haven't started my bagel. I'll open it with one hand. Wow, mine's super full of cream thing, whatever that's called.
Sour cream.
Yeah.
No.
No. No.
Herb and garlic cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Load that on. Load it up. Probably all in my mustache now.
A little bit.
Flavor savers.
Yeah, this is what we do after the radio show. We get hungry, and then it gets weird. I don't know.
Is that it?
No, there's my bag. Oh wait, no. Wait, there's only a bag.
That is all I got for you guys today. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.
Yeah.